The creation of the Oswald Tippo Library Sculpture Courtyard Garden 20 years ago was a collaborative effort among the libraries, UMass Physical Plant, and the Stockbridge School. It's a meditative space in the center of campus at the heart of the library. The courtyard garden is supported entirely by donations and planted with shrubs, perennials, annuals, and bulbs for seasonal interest throughout the year. The courtyard garden is always composted and reused. The sculpture installation, Searching for the Buddha in the Mountains, was created by Thomas Matsuda, a 1999 Master of Fine Arts alumnus. The garden has become a place for community events, from live music to paper marbling. The garden was designed and originally planted by a group of volunteers led by library employee Leslie Shaler. 20 years later, she is still leading the Deadheaders, the group of library volunteers who maintain the garden.
It's this beautiful little respite in the center of this tall building that gets to be enjoyed by not only the people who work here in the building, but our students and visitors. I get to deadhead the garden, weed, mulch, and enjoy it on a more first-hand level, who's someone who is participating and taking care of the garden instead of just witnessing it from afar.
I immediately took interest in joining others who I saw working out here and spoke with Leslie and became part of the Deadheaders. It's also just wonderful to contribute to and work on something that gives so many people joy around the campus, and it's also a consistent source of joy and pride.